First of all, make sure that you have enabled Bluetooth. After enabling Bluetooth, proceed to opening Remote Examination Care app. Now to attempt blood oxygen test, you need to turn on vital sign monitor device. Press and hold the power button of vital sign monitor for a few seconds. After device has been turned on, tap on recommended test. This will take your appointment details screen. Now start the test. If you see this error, this means that you need to enable your Bluetooth. Enable the Bluetooth. Scan for devices and select the vital sign monitor device. Now this will take you to test screen. You can start the test by pressing start test button. Place your index finger on oxygen saturation sensor. This test will continue for 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, you will see save result model where test results will be shown. If you are satisfied with the result, you can save the result. Otherwise, you have the option to retake the test. Now after 40 seconds, test has been completed. Save the result. After saving, app will navigate you to appointment details screen. Here you can see test results. Thank you.